Want to become an AI engineer, machine learning expert, or generative AI specialist, even if you're starting from zero? Then listen up, because this is the exact roadmap top tech professionals are following to land six-figure AI jobs. Step 1. Build your foundation. Start with the basics: Python, data handling, math for AI, and data pipelines. These are the essential skills every AI engineer needs before building real models. Step 2. Master machine learning. Learn how algorithms think, how they train, how they learn, and how to measure their performance. Work on real-world projects like recommendation systems, predictive models, and automation tools. Step 3. Dive into deep learning and generative AI. Get hands-on with neural networks, transformers, and LLM. Learn to fine-tune models like GPT, build RAG, powered apps, and explore the latest trends in multimodal AI, self-supervised learning, and agentic AI. Step 4. Specialize. Tackle real-world problems with computer vision, natural language processing, and reinforcement learning. Master MLOps and LLMOps so you can deploy, scale, and maintain AI systems like a pro. Experiment with GANs, OpenAI Gym, and autonomous AI agents, the cutting edge of the AI revolution. Step 5. Build real projects. Don't just learn, build. Create chatbots, vision apps, AI assistants, and Gen AI tools. Showcase them on GitHub, build a portfolio, and make yourself irresistible to recruiters. Step 6. Get hired. Craft an ATS-optimized resume, grow your LinkedIn presence, and prepare with mock interviews. That's how you go from learner to job-ready AI professional. The AI landscape is changing fast, with tool-augmented LLMs, multimodal systems, and autonomous agents shaping the next decade. Follow this roadmap step by step, and you won't just stay relevant, you'll lead the future of tech. Ready to begin? Join our free AI masterclass and go from beginner to job ready in just 4 months. Your AI future starts today.